Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with you some of my current favorites. I have both high-end and drugstore makeup. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So I wrote down the prices for every item that I'm going to share with you guys today. I am horrible remembering prices, so that is why I wrote them down. That way I can tell you guys. I will also be linking everything down in the description box if I can find it. That way if you are interested in an item, it is easier for you to find it. So the first item that I want to show you guys is the NYX retractable lip liner. I've been loving this. I'm actually wearing it today. This shade in specific is really nice. It's just a beautiful neutral shade, and let me see what this one's called. Yeah, it's just called Natural. So this one retails for $5. I got mine at Ulta, and like I said, these are retractable. They are really creamy. They just glide on. They are super easy to apply. They are long wearing. So I've been loving this lip liner. I am definitely gonna be getting more shades. I'm pretty sure I have another one other than this, but I've been using this one specifically a lot because I just really love this shade. And then another lip item while we are in the subject of lips is this Vaseline Lip Therapy. I don't know if you guys have heard of these, but I honestly didn't know about these until, I don't know, it's been a few months ago, but I'm pretty sure they've been around for a while now, and these are less than $2. How much are they? These are $1.79 at Target. That is where I got mine from. But the reason I wanted to mention it to you guys is because it's basically the only thing that works for my lips. Other lip balms just don't really do a good job. Some of them may actually make my lips feel drier, and this is the only thing that I like for my lips. It just, I don't know, I put it on overnight, and then in the morning my lips feel much better. I have a bad habit of biting my lips, so they are usually chapped or just not looking too great, so this helps me out a lot. Alright, so moving on, I have the House of Lashes clear lash adhesive. This is just lash glue, but this was recommended by my mother-in-law, and I got mine from Target. This is the only thing that I've been using lately. I was super obsessed with my Shop Miss A lash glue because it was only like $1 and something, either $1.55 or $1.88. So I was like, oh, that is amazing, that is a steal, and it works great. But once I tried this one, I just kind of, I don't know, I kind of started leaning more towards this one. This one does retail for $8, so it's not, you know, $1 and something cents, but this one you can just go to your local Target or Ulta and pick it up, and this one holds your lashes forever. With this one, actually, if you are like me and you take your lashes off at the end of the day, I would definitely recommend going in with a oil-based makeup remover and then just taking like a Q-tip, putting it into the makeup remover, and then just, you know, going on your lashes to softly remove the lash glue. That way you don't pull on your lashes, because that can cause wrinkles, or, you know, it's just not very good for your eyelids if you pull on your lashes. So yeah, this stuff is really good. It's really strong. It dries pretty quickly. It dries down clear. I haven't had any issues with it at all. So definitely recommend this. It's been my favorite at the moment. So a huge shout out and thank you to my mother-in-law for recommending this to me. I just got pretty violent there. I'm sorry. I think I just got excited. But yeah, this is awesome and I am obsessed with it. So thank you. All right, so moving on to the next item. I kind of fell in love with this like so much. This is the Kylie Cosmetics blush. This thing is so beautiful. It wears forever. It's super pigmented. The one that I have is in the shade We Are Going Shopping. This was a gift from my sister-in-law, so it makes it even more special. But this retails for $18. It is on the pricey side, but I think it's worth it. I think the packaging is really cute. I love that it's pink. I love that it has a mirror, and then I think the blush size is a pretty decent size as well. So overall, I'm just like in love with this blush. I have been using it nonstop. I didn't use it today because I was trying out some new items. But moving on, I have the e.l.f. was it Precise? Yeah, Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I am also wearing this on my face today. I love this brow pencil. It definitely, like, don't come for me, but it reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's that good in my opinion. This one retails for $5. I am basically like out. That is how much I have left. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is like, it's not a lot. I probably can't even do one brow with how much I have left. It is so sad, and I do not have a backup. But this has been my favorite. That is why I'm running out. I just use it a lot. I think it makes your brows look really nice. Yeah, I have absolutely no complaints about this. I think it's a really good brow pencil. So if you haven't tried it out yet, definitely give it a try. e.l.f. has some really good items out there. And they killed it with this brow pencil. So, all right, moving on to the next item, I have the LA Girl Pro Setting Powder. This one I got from Ulta, and it retails for $5.99. I've been using this a lot as well. The one that I got is in the shade Banana Yellow. I am also almost out of this one because of how much I use it. This is a really good setting powder to, of course, set your makeup. I've also been using it right after primer. I use a little bit all over the face just to help control my oils, and it works pretty well when I do that too. All right, so moving on, I have a product from Ofra. How do you pronounce that? Ofra or Ofra? Ofra. It's got to be Ofra, right? I feel like I should know by now because I watch Nikki tutorials all the time because I love her so much. But this is the Fill In Myself highlighter palette. This is in collaboration with Nikki tutorials. So this is what the palette looks like. I had to move the mirror so that it wasn't like blinding you guys because it was reflecting my light. But this is so beautiful, you guys. You get 3 of her highlighters that she has made with Ofra. You get Space Baby, Glazed Donut, and what's this one called? Glow Goals. These are so beautiful, you guys. The only thing about these is they raised the price on them. I think they used to be like $20 something for this palette, and right now it retails for $35. I did not pay $35 for this. I refused. So I got it while it was on sale. It was 50% off. So I was real quick to snatch it up because I've been wanting this for months now, and I don't know, for some reason or another, I just couldn't get it. And then when I saw that they raised the price, I was like, no, that is not gonna happen. But I still wanted it just so much because I have heard so many good things about this, and I love Nikki tutorials, so I just had to have it. I'll do some quick swatches for you guys actually. So this one, ooh, oh my gosh, that is Space Baby. Let me show you guys what that looks like. I don't know. I hope that shows up. It's so pretty. It's got like some blue to it. It's pretty fun. And like on the cheeks, it just looks so pretty. And then the middle one, which is my favorite and I've been wanting for forever, is Glazed Donut. So, oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. I really hope that, I don't know, the light catches these, but they are so gorgeous. And then the one I haven't tried is Glow Goals. So let's swatch that one. Oh, wow. That's also very beautiful. So moving on to eyeshadow. This palette is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, it is just so gorgeous. It's even better in person. Like, I don't know, seeing it on video is one thing, but having it like here in person, it's slightly breathtaking. I just really appreciate this palette. I'm just gonna say that. I'm not gonna get into, you know, makeup drama or anything like that. I am just going to talk about the makeup and let you guys know that this palette is worth it. It is a bit pricey. Let me see, how much is it? It is $48. You have pressed glitters up here. You have metallic shades. She calls these sequins. And then you have matte shades. So I have been obsessed with the glitters, and then these right here, so beautiful. Let me just swatch this one real quick because it is, I keep saying beautiful, but it is beautiful. I mean, what else can I say about it? Look at that. And I'm not the best at doing swatches, but I don't know if you guys can see the little sparkles that it has, but it's got like little blue, purple, like sparkles. But that is it, you guys. I feel like this video went by really fast. I don't know if it feels the same way to you guys, but to me it feels like that was fast. Maybe I was just talking really fast. I don't know. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.